Now, worrying trends bring back deja vu of the deadly second wave of COVID-19. Cases continue to surge across the country, with Omicron fueling the surge, even as states have now imposed strict restrictions. Let's take a quick look at our ground report from reporters across the length and breadth of India.
Empty roads, shops, markets, and malls all shut. Top metros in the country spent weekend with sweeping COVID curbs in a bid to contain the monster surge in COVID cases across the country. In the national capital, where strict weekend curbs are in place, cases have continued to surge with the positivity rate nearing 20%.
Yesterday, the country registered its maximum spike in COVID cases since the last 7 months. It crossed the 1,41,000 mark in the national capital. The positivity rate is about to touch the 20% mark. At the behest of that, we see that there's a crucial meeting by the Delhi Disaster Management Authority that's scheduled tomorrow, where further restrictions will be thought about, and the details will then after be shared in that meeting that will be held tomorrow.
The Delhi Chief Minister, who had himself tested positive for COVID just days ago, had some encouraging words after recovering, ruling out a lockdown and pointing to lower death rates.
कल वाला जो हेल्थ बुलेटिन था उसमें लगभग 20,000 के करीब केसेस आए थे, और आज शाम को जो हेल्थ बुलेटिन आएगा उसमें लगभग 22,000 केसेस, पिछले 24 घंटे के 22,000 केसेस आएंगे। तो डेली बहुत तेज़ी से केसेस बढ़ रहे हैं, जिसको जो एक चिंता का विषय तो है, लेकिन जैसे मैंने पहले भी बोला था, घबराने की बात नहीं है। कई लोग मेरे से प्रश्न पूछ रहे हैं, लॉकडाउन लगेगा? हम लॉकडाउन नहीं लगाना चाहते, लॉकडाउन नहीं लगेगा अगर आप मास्क पहनोगे तो।
In Maharashtra, the worst hit state, fresh curbs have kicked in. A night curfew begins from Monday from 11 p.m. to 5 a.m. Swimming pools, gyms, spas and salons will also remain shut. New curbs don't permit movement of more than 5 people in a group. Schools will also remain shut till February 15.
Many other pointers have been put out in the list of restrictions. This on account of the fact that Mumbai and Maharashtra are recording high COVID numbers. On a daily basis now, Mumbai is recording more than 20,000 cases. Maharashtra yesterday recorded more than 40,000 cases.
Tamil Nadu saw a complete lockdown on Sunday. Only essential shops were allowed to function and timing of restaurants capped.
With the case numbers of COVID-19 increasing without any control in the state of Tamil Nadu, the state government has been forced to impose lockdown again. In fact, in the state of Tamil Nadu, night curfew is already in place, which is from 10 p.m. to 5 a.m., while Sunday has also been announced as a total lockdown. And this is how the city looks. This is Chennai, and one of the important junctions in Chennai called as Khattipara, and there is not much movement over here at all. If you need to leave your home, you need to have a valid reason, and all essential services are allowed, but at the same time, everything else is shut.
Increased curbs and cases come in the shadow of a big surge in Omicron cases, driving the third wave. Experts predict that India's COVID cases may peak in February and the worst may be yet to come. With Shreya Chatterjee in Delhi, Pankaj Upadhyay in Mumbai and Pramod Madhav in Chennai, Bureau Report, India Today.